Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here in Token Talks, and I'm super excited to make this video because today we're going to talk about a meme coin that's absolutely crushing it, and that meme coin, ladies and gentlemen, is Pepe. Right now, we are on the precipice of seeing a huge bull run, and what's so crazy is BTC is only $10,000 away from its previous all-time high, and literally nobody is talking about crypto, and I'm going to explain why that's incredible for you and I. So we're going to dive right into this thing. We're going to talk about Pepe, how you can capitalize on this. It might be too late for you to get in. Who knows? But we're going to break everything down in this video. So let's run that B-roll, dive right into this video, and get this thing done in less than 8 minutes. Let's go. All right, guys, now that we're back, first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about BTC USD, as we have to always, and we're going to talk a little bit about what is going on right now in terms of price. So currently, at the time of recording this video, we're sitting at $56,972 based off BTC USD at Coinbase, okay? So if we look at the daily time frame, as you can see here, we have this beautiful, nice push up. Everything is looking super, super bullish, really, really nice, but ladies and gentlemen, I do anticipate some sort of market pullback at some point. I don't know exactly when, so just be careful if you are buying Bitcoin. If we go to the weekly time frame, as you can see here right now, it's looking pretty bullish, okay? And we've broken clear structure to the left, and our next targets are right here at 68,000 and 65,000 respectively, which I do anticipate that we will pull right through these all-time high levels and then make a pullback and then create some market structure as we go to the upside. But right now, I'm not seeing anything crazy when it comes to BTC. If I look at the 4-hour time frame, guys, I'm liking what I'm seeing. And if I'm looking to place some trades, if I was looking to place, like, let's say a Forex trade on BTC right now, I would probably set like some sort of buy limit over here at these levels right here around 56K-ish to wait for price to pull back so I can get a better entry, because there is some resting liquidity here that's probably going to need to be swept. But with the way Bitcoin's moving, who knows? Anything's possible. So let's talk a little bit about Pepe and what's going on with Pepe. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Let's go to the monthly time frame with Pepe, and we're going to reset this chart view. Obviously, not much of a chart, but as soon as it got listed, we saw this big boom come down, and price has literally been crap ever since then. And it's right about 50% to its all-time high based off of what data we have here on Binance through Tradingview, okay? So if we go down to the daily time frame and we reset our chart view, we could see that this is crazy growth, guys. Literally from the bottom, what we're seeing is a, let's just say from February 6th until now, we are seeing a 228% gain, 242% gain. It's crazy what's happening with Pepe right now. So we're going to talk a little bit about what pushed this up, why it's happening, and what you need to do to prepare yourself for it. So let's talk a little bit about Pepe. So it looks like Pepe is leading the meme coin rally with a blistering 118% surge over 48 hours. It looks like Pepe and wider meme coin rally was driven by market momentum from Bitcoin's climb to 57,000 on the 26th. Again, like I said, there's not a lot of people talking about crypto and BTC as a whole. So like literally, if you go back to when Bitcoin hit $55,000 the last time, you could not do anything without hearing about crypto or talking about crypto. And the thing is, we're not in a position right now where that's happened, okay? So like this is so much more room to grow from where we're at right now. And this is something you have to keep in mind if you're going to start investing. So the meme coin was trading at this price, and it's up over 58% in 24 hours. As of press time, the token hit an all-time high of this, hit a high of this number right here before giving up some gains over the last 2 hours based off of crypto slate data. So as you can see here, guys, in terms of meme coins, we're seeing a $26 billion market cap. You can see we have Doge, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and then we have Flocky, Meme Coin, MAGA, all these different coins who are literally like Doge is down 87% from its all-time high. Pepe is down 63% from its all-time high. So a lot of room to grow for a lot of these different tokens and coins, okay? So obviously market momentum, it looks like Pepe's coin to a 10-month high was bolstered by the crypto market's overall recovery momentum over the past 2 days, which several digital assets receive a significant uplift as Bitcoin reclaimed price levels last seen in 2021. And as we look here, the meme coin frenzy is continuing to grow. Popular meme coin Floki Inu has recently launched a doggy whiff hat which were up over 30% over the last 24 hours, with the latter surging almost 60% before a retracement. Grok and Lattice also recorded gains of 22% and 19.9% over the past day, while other small cap meme coins like Akita Inu and Sneak also posted similar gains. So, guys, huge upside potential in what we're seeing here. And if we go down all time, again, I want to go ahead and show you literally what we're looking at here in terms of what we see with Pepe. So it's continuing to move up in the right direction, which is really, really exciting. And again, as you can see here, another article talking about prominent meme tokens on Ethereum and Solana systems such as Pepe and WIF have rallied significantly. And these things are only going to continue to happen. You're going to continue to read stories about this over and over and over again. And the fact of the matter is you have to be in it to win it, right? Again, this is not financial advice. You can and will lose money trading in the financial markets. You have to do your own research. But at the end of the day, if you want to make money, you have to play in the market. I'm not saying bet the house on it, but a couple dollars here, a couple dollars there, and it could grow. And next thing you know, you have a bankroll and you could start playing around with some house money after you pull out your initial investments and make the right choices and make some money in this crypto bull run. But this is just the very beginning. This is the precipice of some incredible things that are going to happen down the line. Now, how do I feel about Pepe? Guys, like, I'll be honest with you, I don't really think that Pepe is going to be like some token that you're going to be able to, come in and, like say, hey, this is the best technology in the industry and we're changing lives with this particular coin and token, things of that nature. I don't think that's the case, okay? What I will say, though, is that this does have a lot of hype and momentum around it, and that's important. So let's talk a little bit about Pepe, and it's the most memeable meme coin in existence. The dogs have had their day. It's time for Pepe to take reign. So does that tell you that we have the best use case, that we have the best blockchain, that we have the best infrastructure, that we have the best team? No, this is simply a vanity token. It's a vanity asset. It's a vanity pair that you're going to trade. It has no real use case. It's not going to change the world in any capacity. So if we talk a little bit about the roadmap, let's see what they got going on. So the roadmap, phase 1, meme. Phase 2, vibe and hold. Phase 3, meme takeover. So you tell me, is that like, come on, make Pepe great again? He's pissing on all the other tokens. I just have no words for something like this in terms of me saying, hey, this is a fundamentally sound investment. I don't know if it is because I don't understand what they do, right, in terms of use case. When it comes to, the momentum and sentiment around it, yeah, people love it. It's great. But who's actually really moving the market here, right? It's people like average people who are putting their money in this thing because it's cool, it's fun, exciting. But what's happening behind the scenes with the project, things of that nature, who really knows? Let's talk a little bit about their tokenomics. So there's no taxes, no BS. It's that simple. LP tokens are burnt and contract ownership is renounced. Simple. Like, that's their tokenomics. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I want to do is I want to pull them up on Etherscan so we could see how many holders there are. Only 158,000 holders. That's actually not a lot. In terms of what's possible. If we click on the holders, let's take a look at some of these top wallets. So this is their Binance wallet, has 19% of their token supply. OKX, about 7%. Binance 28, about 4.5%. Bybit, 3%. Crypto.com, 2%. And then let's see here. I want to see what their first unlocked wallet has. So this is a null wallet. So this is their first unlocked wallet. It has about $20 million worth of Pepe. So this wallet in particular, let's see what it's done. If it has any. Okay, so it moved this much to this wallet from the Binance 28 token. It's interesting. This is very interesting. Something to keep an eye out on. Let's see what their second wallet is about. Let's see what their second unlocked wallet has to offer. Let's see. Kraken. Here's another one. This has 16 million valuation. Let's see what transfers it's got going on. So yeah, it's sending out, we don't know if they're selling or what's going on with this one in particular, but this is what's happening in this wallet as well. Okay. So again, guys, make sure you guys are doing your own research and paying attention to what's happening. But this is Pepe, guys. It's just literally, a meme coin. So be careful with your investments. It is pumping. Is there opportunity to make money? Yeah. Do I think it's a good idea to get in right now? No, I don't, because I think people are going to be selling. And I think that's important for you guys to keep an eye out as well. So make sure you guys protect your bags, secure your profits. You can't go broke taking profits. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We will catch you on the next one.